Hey everybody, Blocks Guy here. So I'm gonna show you some images of my furnace and air conditioner. Right here you have my furnace. A 1994, I think, janitrol GMP 125. I don't know what year it was. I'm going to show you a picture of my air conditioner. That's what it looks like. It was a 1994 Goodman AC, or it could have been janitrol. But I don't know what model it was. You can see in the corner over there, you can see my basement. It was a 1990s house, built summer 1994. That's all I know. And yeah, that's all I need to tell you.